Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. In the previous video we discussed about the basic concept related to binary to gray conversion, how to convert a binary number into its equivalent gray code form. So in this video we are going to discuss the opposite, that is conversion of a gray code to binary code. Okay, so let us understand it with the help of an example. Let's say we have been given a gray code 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, this is the gray code and we have to find out the equivalent binary form. So as we did in binary to gray, the MSB of the gray is the same as the MSB of the binary. So we'll copy the MSB bit as it is in the binary number also. The MSB bit will always be the same. Next, we will add this with this bit. Okay, we have to perform 1 plus 1. Here we know that while adding two 1 bits, the sum is equal to 0 and the carry is equal to 1. We will consider this sum is equal to 0 and discard this carry. So the result will be 0. Next we will add this 0 with this 0, 0 plus 0. The result will be 0. Just like crisscross addition. Again this 0 is added with this next bit, 0 plus 1, the result will be 1. Then again this one is added with the next bit of the gray code, is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 0. We'll ignore the carry and we'll consider only the sum part. Okay, so this 10010, it is the required gray code, the binary code. This is the required binary code. So here we perform crisscross addition. In binary to gray conversion there was straight addition. In gray to binary there is crisscross addition. Okay, and the concept stays the same. If there are addition of two 1 bits, we will consider this sum is equal to 0 and discard the carry equals to 1. So first of all, when you get a gray code and we have to convert it into binary form, copy the MSB of the gray same as that of the MSB of the binary, then you add this with the next bit of the gray code. You get the result, then you add that result with the next bit of the gray code. The result which you get, you add it with the next bit of the gray code and you continue until you exhaust all of the bits of the gray code and you will get the required binary code. Okay, so let us take another example, okay, and see. So let us say we have been given another gray code, let's say 0 1 0 1. This is the gray code and we have to determine its binary form. So we know that the MSB bit of the gray code is the same as the MSB bit of the binary. So we'll copy it as it is, 0. Then we'll perform the addition of this with the next bit of the gray code, 0 plus 1. So the result will be 1. Then we'll add the result with the next bit of the gray code, 1 plus 0. The result will be 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Then we'll add this result with the next bit of the gray code, that is 1 plus 1. Here we will consider the sum part, sum is equal to 0 and we will discard the carry is equal to 1 part. So this is the required binary code. This. Similarly, if we have another gray code, let's say we have 1 1 0 0. This is the gray code, and we have to find the equivalent binary code. So the MSB will copy it as it is, 1 and 1, then will perform the addition of this result with the next bit of the gray code, 1 plus 1. We will consider the sum is equal to 0 part and discard the carry, then we will perform the addition of this result with the next bit of the gray code, 0 plus 0, the result will be 0. Then again we will perform the addition of this result with the next bit of the gray code, that is 0 plus 0, and the result will be 0. So again this is the required binary code, 1 0 0 0, the binary form of the gray code 1 1 0 0. So this is how you perform the gray to binary conversion. First step, copy the MSB bit of the gray code same as that of the MSB of the binary, because the MSB bits of the gray and binary codes, they always stay the same. Next, you perform crisscross addition, as I call it. So you add this result with the next bit, okay, the next less significant bit or the adjacent bit of the gray code, then the result that you get, you add that with the next adjacent bit of the gray code, and you continue until you reach the last bit. And in case of 1 plus 1, that 2 1 bit addition, you consider the sum is equal to 0 part and discard the carry equals to 1 part. Okay, so you only consider the sum is equal to 0, that part. So here we have discussed the conversion of a gray code into binary code. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and communication engineering. Have a great day. Thank you very much.